let's start a very warm welcome to everyone present here. This is the experiment where we talk about the science behind becoming that girl. And it is a journey that I am on with you as well. It's not like I have achieved it, but well, I am in progress and I hope you learn a little bit here and there somewhere also. And today, let me admit it, I am talking about something that's extremely selfish. It is important to me. I have a space to talk about and I have somebody really apt for this situation, so I'm talking about it. Today, we're going to talk about female friendships. There. I said it. Anybody who's watching this knows what I'm talking about, and if you don't, let me spill the beans for you. We're going to talk about the love, the loyalty, the unspoken expectations, the heartbreaks, the falling out, the silently patching up also. All of that. Let me talk about how female friendship is important, how success changes it, how careers change it, and overall, what is it that makes this concept so difficult? For me, female friendship is maybe a little more than any other friendship, but maybe just a little less than a romantic relationship, and that is what makes it so confusing. On this note, let's talk about who I'm going to be talking to this about. She's somebody who is a powerhouse in her industry. She's somebody who's broken glass ceilings. She's somebody who's probably writing emails at 2 a.m. because that's just the kind of success that she's gained in her professional life. But at the same time, she's my very dear friend, Vanshita Neetu.
Thank you very much,
How did you
Asmi.
like it?
I loved it.
You liked it?
Loved it.
Yeah, that's all that
10
matters.
on 10.
That's all that matters.
I think nobody else could have introduced me with such passion and grace other than you, because you are my bestie.
True, done.
Right.
And one thing I would like to tell everyone also, apart from being besties, we're also working together.
Yeah.
Which makes this podcast much more interesting.
Much more interesting, yes.
Because one thing that I was talking to my team also about when we were trying to figure out who to invite for this episode was that I want Vanshita to be here.
Yeah.
Because number one, we became friends first and then we became colleagues, which has created challenges in our professional life. It has created challenges in our personal life as well. But none of it has ever led to the point where I've said, you know what, she's doing this to me because she's my friend. She's taking advantage of this because she's my friend. No, I've never felt that. I've never faced that. And that's a myth that I would like to break right now sitting here. I know that some of you might call it an exception, but for me, this is what female friendship is about. None of my friends have ever missed an opportunity to push me to a better state. When I met Vanshita also, we started off with the same thing that literally every other female friendship starts with by saying, you know what, when I first met you, I thought you were a bitch.
I still think you are.
Well, that's a compliment from you now. I think from you now, that's a compliment.
Now that's a compliment. You are badass Ravi Kumar.
Don't say that. Oh my God, don't say it.
I am telling you.
Dil ke Taj Mahal. Have you seen it? I watched it.
You do not get me started on this. You should feel guilty.
I know. I do. So I'll tell you.
मैं गड्ढा खोदूंगी तो घुस जा उसमें तो.
I'll give you the backstory of it.
My lord, guilty.
Guilty. No questions, brother. Guilty. Full guilty. I think in a section that we have, it's called red flag, green flag. I am a red flag because I did not watch Badass Ravi Kumar with her.
बाल मेरे लाल है, red flag ये है.
See, now that's what I'm talking about. It doesn't matter. To me, honestly, if you're a good person, you don't have to be funny. That's not a requirement for friendship anymore. I think it is okay if you make shitty jokes.
How many years we've been doing this now? This is the first time we're putting ourselves in front.
5 years.
5 years.
5 years, I think.
5
More
years?
or less.
5-6 years.
Okay.
Almost.
17 ka khatra. I think we have a long time to
long,
go. It's
yeah.
fine. So, getting back to
this episode. Getting back to Badass Ravi Kumar. Sorry. I really wanted to go watch that film.
Yeah.
I had watched the trailer 17 times in the anticipation that I will get to witness the Lord Himesh Reshammiya in his full glory.
I did. I watched him. So I went with my brother and his friends. I did not go with her. I am sorry. My apologies. Yeah. So that's what makes me a bitch. And that's fine. That kind of a bitch is fine. Well, wait. First of all, why experiment? I just want that in a brief from you because I want everyone to know exactly what I knew when I joined this project.
Yeah, so I think this project started on a very, very, very fresh and very high energy note.
True.
I remember that day you, me, Mitra were sitting.
Yeah.
Right? And we were
Mitra is
our social media director.
That's for her. For me, she's somebody that I have all discussions with when it comes to any sort of project. We're sitting at 11 p.m. Okay, and we're discussing till 1 a.m. and then we're waking up at 9 a.m. having another meeting. She's somebody that I sleep with and I wake up with. That's Mitra for you.
I'm telling you, 2 days ago she called me 2 a.m. in the morning after you guys were done with the meeting. And she video called me.
Why were you up?
I was doing work one day, I was working.
Yeah.
Huh.
What did she say?
And she was giving me the brief of the meeting at 2
Do
a.m.
you know, 2 days ago, I was in a meeting with all of our team only, and 2 people, I will not name them, they're listening. I know that they're listening. 2 people, they told me after a year and a half of knowing me that, oh yeah, I thought you were a complete bitch when I met you. Like, listen, you work with me. What are you saying?
But I think that's the aura.
Yeah.
That's the aura of being what did they call it? Girl boss.
Stop. Let's do a vibe check. Do it.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, like that.
Let's
Fair.
do a vibe check.
Vibe
Are
check.
you feeling the aura?
Yes.
Are you feeling it?
Yes.
Make yourself huge. Capture the room.
I wish I could.
Capture the room, Vanshita. Room.
Okay.
Capture it
Like this?
yeah.
Bazinga. Fair enough.
So, why experiment?
Because over the span of last 10 years, working in an industry like advertising, I have met the funniest, most interesting bunch of people.
Yeah, I've met you.
Yeah. And I've met you.
Yeah, true.
True.
I've never met anyone else like you also. Let me say that.
Same. I think, वो पता है हैरी पॉटर में वो मिरर था वो फर्स्ट
I've
में
not seen Harry Potter.
डिवोर्स के पेपर कौन भिजवा रहा है गाइस देखिए ये होता है फ्रेंडशिप में नॉन नेगोशिएबल वंशिता के लिए नहीं मैं कहना चाहूंगी दोस्तों अगर आपकी बेस्टी आपके से रिश्तेदारी में 5 साल के बाद भी अगर ये कह रही है कि उसने हैरी पॉटर नहीं देखी एटलीस्ट फॉर मी तो
Have you seen Kochi Kame? Have you seen Kochi Kame?
तो देना तो डिवोर्स मैंने ना
Have
बोला
you seen Kochi Kame? I have seen Kochi Kame.
हैव यू सीन हागे मारू
I think I have.
हाँ
I was a Doraemon kid. I was a Doraemon kid. Full
Have you seen
Doraemon.
Dragon Ball Z?
Yeah, because my brother used to watch
Have you
it.
seen Dragon
so-
Tales?
No.
Have you seen Bob the Builder? OG?
I see Bob the Builder every day because I see you trying to fix relationships everywhere. So it's fine. I think I've seen enough. It's okay. Let's talk about experiment. Tell me. So you met a bunch of people in advertising. So what?
Yeah, so I've heard a lot of interesting stories, a lot of interesting cultural shifts because I have happened to have relationships across different cultures. I have friends from different nationalities. बहुत बढ़िया मुझे मेरा favorite time pass है
You're saying friends.
friends.
You know what you mean when you say friends.
I mean friends. I remember that when I was in Toronto very recently,
Okay.
and I was having a full breakdown.
How
right?
often do you have it? When was the last time you cried?
5 days ago?
Little 5 days?
5 days
It's been 5 days?
Yeah, it's been 5 days. Like cried. Snorts and tears and
I think
shit.
for me also last week.
Yeah, no, last
Full
week.
cry.
Yeah, last week was really. The Venus is in retrograde, guys.
Whatever.
I don't know.
Do you remember-
I thought saying this makes people cool nowadays, you know?
What was that? It was retrograde only.
Yeah.
Renegade. It was renegade.
It was renegade, not retrograde. हाँ.
Sorry.
तो
Yeah.
यार, people from culture.
Toronto. Sorry.
ब्रैम्पटन में तुम अरे यार तू भी भाई बॉर्न टू बी हेटर में हेट कर ही लेती है फिर थोड़ा तो फोर्स टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम
where
कर
you're coming from. I think as girls we understand too much.
या वो क्योंकि वो सेम कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर है ना यार सबका
Like what?
हर किसी का देख आई थिंक वन कॉमन ग्राउंड दैट एवरी वुमन हैज इज द नीड ऑफ रीअश्योरेंस ठीक है दैट इज वन कॉमन ग्राउंड दैट आई हैव सीन इन एवरी मैंने मेरी मम्मी में भी देखा है मैंने मेरी नानी लोगों में भी देखा है
But that's everyone.
Yeah,
I
that's
feel like
everyone.
just men are just not vocal about it, but in their actions you see it. Like in their actions you see that.
हाँ, but women are very chalant.
Yeah.
They are the most chalant being.
True.
मतलब कैसे बनूं मैं non-chalant?
नहीं होता मुझसे.
कैसे रहूं मैं unbothered?
नहीं होता मुझसे.
How?
मुझसे नहीं होता.
नहीं
Genuinely, मेरे को अगर कोई चीज मेरे को दुख रही है वो तब तक दुखेगी जब तक मैं उस इंसान से जाके
भाई
कहना
चट मंगनी पटव्या.
done for
हाँ.
100%. I cannot stay hold on conversations.
Nah,
If I
man.
don't feel like it, then I can't talk to you.
And the worst positions are when we can't even vocalize our thoughts. When what we're feeling and हम उसको express नहीं कर पा रहे, and that is exactly where a bestie comes in hand.
I think, yeah, if you are in that state, I would know.
Yeah.
I would know.
ये कुछ telepathic
हाँ.
है, और I think it also depends on the quality of friendship.
True.
It also depends very much कि तुमने एक दूसरे को कितना समझा है.
And time has no factor. in
Time
it.
has no factor.
Time has no factor.
No, no,
in
no,
it.
no, 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 no. It totally depends on the quality of your personal intellect, emotional
True,
intellect.
100%. I cannot, till date, I cannot be friends with somebody who's not self-aware.
Yeah.
And apart from being self-aware, they also have to be willing to work on it.
Absolutely. मतलब वो जो factor है ना कि मेरा person, ठीक है, जब हम उस evolution of theories पे आ गए कि हाँ भाई एक relationship में एक इंसान तो सब कुछ provide नहीं कर सकता, तो भाई एक दोस्त
हर चीज प्रोवाइड
नहीं कर सकता
और हर समय पे नहीं कर सकता.
हर समय पे नहीं कर सकता, और हर समय पे तुम वो रेसिप्रोकेट भी कर पाओ,
नहीं होता.
नहीं हो पाएगा.
नहीं हो
एंड
पाता.
इट इज ओके टू हैव मोर देन वन क्लोज फ्रेंड.
I think for me, I don't have any category called close friends, best friends. No. For me, a friend is a friend, or otherwise you're an acquaintance.
Acquaintance.
You're my classmate. I think we need to normalize using these words
Yeah.
much more often. What
अरे
do you?
मतलब वो तो भाई मतलब ऐसा मातम का माहौल चल जाता है यार
100%.
कि
If you
नहीं
say-
भाई acquaintance कैसे बोल दिया, अरे तुम
Co-worker
co-worker
कैसे
कैसे
बोल
बोल
दिया?
दिया. हाँ तो मैं मेरे बेटे के ब्याह में तुझे थोड़ी बुलाऊंगी भाई.
नहीं हो पाता, right? ये लोग, I think it has a lot to do with the fact that एक conversation हुई और तुम दोस्त बन गए. मेरा वो होता है, मेल फ्रेंड्स के साथ होता है, फीमेल फ्रेंड्स के साथ नहीं होता है.
And that does not make you a pick me girl. Here
She's dropped it. She's dropped the tea. Let's end the episode here. The one allegation that I think a 13-year-old me has felt all her life.
tell your 13-year-old self that
You were not a pick-me
Pick-me
girl.
girl.
You just did not know any better.
exactly.
I think we need to forgive ourselves for who we were when we were
Let's
teenagers.
take a moment. Let's take a breath.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's.
Asmi, do
Hold
this.
hands.
Let's hold hands. Baby Asmi, your 13-year-old self was just a little unaware, was a little less self-aware.
True.
She was trying to figure herself out,
Yeah.
and she might have made some bad choices,
Some
or many,
or many.
but that's gone.
That's gone.
What comes forth is bright lights,
Yeah.
a lot of ambition,
Yeah.
a lot of power,
Yeah. Support
support,
from people
love.
like you, from other people that have made, post 18 years of age. I think you can't make great friends before your prefrontal
But we have to
lobe
finish this
develops.
oath.
Sorry.
and an abundance of peace.
Yeah, true. What are you seeking, honestly, in life? Peace. What else?
Nothing. I think all this journey, सब कुछ for peace. And वो बोलते हैं ना यार, जिंदगी में दो दोस्त बस अच्छे हो ना तो जिंदगी आराम से कट जाती है.
And honestly, अच्छे doesn't mean permanent.
हाँ.
I think
different phases of life पे आपके
True,
different दोस्त
true,
होते हैं.
true.
उनके साथ आपकी अलग wavelength होती है, लेकिन आप उन relationships को retain कैसे करते हो? आप उन relationships को कैसे valuable feel कराते हो और आप उनको अपनी life में क्या दर्जा देते हो? वो बहुत important है और वो आपकी individual कला है.
and it is in your hand. If I
हाँ.
see somebody else coming to me tomorrow, one of my closest friends is coming to me tomorrow and saying, listen, I'm so sorry, I just could not manage it.
This
I
is
could
not your situationship coming up to you and saying it's not me, it's you.
Yeah, it can't happen.
No.
John Abraham, Prachi Desai and Chitrangda Singh.
अरे this
कहाँ ना
film.
जाने कहाँ
कहाँ
से
से
आई.
आई.
That
हाँ.
one. What a daddy.
Interesting.
I think.
She's very beautiful. But that's not the conversation, Asmi. Please let's get back
Let's go.
to this.
Can we now talk about the grey behaviors in friendship. And for that, I am going to introduce you to a segment called the Friendship Code, where you're the judge and jury, and we're talking about things that might be acceptable.
जज करने में तो वैसे भी मुझे बहुत मजा आता है.
Never
आजा.
mind.
मतलब तुम पब्लिक टीवी पे ये कहना चाहती हो कि तुम्हें जज करने में अच्छा नहीं लगता?
मैं नहीं करती judge. Is it a crime to borrow clothes and return them months later, if at all?
No.
No.
नहीं.
I don't think you
What
should
is the
return them.
concept of your wardrobe and my wardrobe if we are besties?
Yeah, no. I have shared literally everything with my
भाई
best friend.
मैं मेरे गाय बेस्टीज के भी कपड़े उठा के ले जाती हूँ. भाई गर्ल बेस्टी का तो चल
मतलब उनका तो बनता
ही है. वो
उनका
तो
मतलब क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है.
क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है भाई. आई नो मैं के घर से मैं इनकी हुडियां ले जाती हूँ. मैं इनके कपड़े हाँ
हुडियां ले जाती हूँ. हुडियां
मल्टीपल कुछ तो.
No, but I think if you're returning clothes, that
भाई,
you have a level to go ahead abhi.
If you're returning clothes, then one you're not at that.
You're not
that
level.
close.
Yeah, you're not at that
अगर
level.
तुम assume कर रहे हो ना कि हम बेस्टी हैं तो कपड़े तो वापस नहीं देने चाहिए.
नहीं.
और दूसरा अगर दे रहे हो तो कोई नाराज है भाई.
Yeah.
नाराज है.
I think it's sort
मैं
of like a
नाराज हूँ.
breakup.
मैंने तेरी जैकेट वापस दे दी.
Yeah,
अगर
it's
मैं
sort of
नाराज
like
नहीं हूँ
a
मांग के
breakup.
दिखा.
It's a breakup.
It's a breakup.
It's like giving that
Giving
box.
the box back
Yeah.
कि ये तेरा सामान है ये मेरा सामान है.
Literally half of the things that I use on a daily basis, I've borrowed it from someone and I will not give it back to you.
Yeah.
For me, that's like carrying a part of you with me wherever I go.
Exactly.
It's never going to get
My
returned.
closest friend in Toronto, she can't find half of her stuff. Why? It's with me.
She cancels plans last minute, but you see her out with other friends the next day.
No. नहीं. मातम मचा दो. First thing you can't expect somebody to do is तुम उसको टाइम दो. तुम उसको कमिट करो कि ये टाइम पे मैं वहाँ पे आ रहा हूँ और उसके बाद तुम गायब हो जाओ. That person is trying to reach out to you. पर तुम्हारे कोई अता पता नहीं है. पहली बात तो वो मत करो. ये annoying चीजें हैं जो
Why are you
लोग करते हैं.
speaking about it from your heart?
It is from the heart. It is from the
Does this
goddamn
happen
heart.
to you a lot?
Yeah.
But I am not a plan maker, so it never happens with me. I only get invited to places.
Yeah.
I never make the plan myself.
No, even if like you and I are discussing, हाँ, ask me what time are you getting off of work? Okay, like 7. Okay, 7:30. Okay, cool. See you at 7:30.
Yeah.
Then I always give you a reconfirmation का call.
100%.
है ना?
If we are talking yesterday,
हाँ.
कि चलो कल मिलते हैं, but कल हमारी कोई बात नहीं हुई, then the plan is off.
Yes. वो reconfirmation का call आएगा. Definitely दोनों में से कोई एक इंसान का कि भाई 7:30 on? Yes, on. See you. नहीं मिल रहे भाई नहीं हो पाएगा. Have to go this, have to go that. Understandable, respected. Ends the topic.
And another thing is that if you're cancelling the plan, the next time there ever is a plan, you should have better made it.
Yeah.
If you don't invite me the next time, suppose I am inviting you and you say no, I can't come.
हाँ.
Then the next time you are going to be inviting me, and that's just an unsaid rule.
Yeah.
And this
It's called making up for the lost time.
This I don't think happens with male friendships. I don't think this happens with male friendships. I think they're like, okay, it doesn't matter. मतलब मैं जितने लोगों से ये सुनती हूँ ना, अगर मैं किसी दोस्त को जाके rant करूँ कि देखो पता है भाई मैंने उसे बुलाया, उसने बोला वो नहीं आएगी.
हाँ, they are usually nonchalant towards
True.
it.
And they're like कि हाँ भाई तो तू वापस पूछ ले. मैंने बोला नहीं, मैं नहीं पूछ सकती वापस. मैं नहीं पूछ सकती वापस. उसने मना क्यों किया?
हाँ, नहीं, उसके बाद में उनका वो सवाल आएगा, हाँ तो तूने वापस पूछ लिया तो उसमें क्या बड़ी बात हो जाएगी?
क्या बात हो गई? तो क्या हो जाएगा? नहीं, हो जाएगा. ये कोई नहीं समझेगा कि बात हो जाएगी. तो it's just not fair. This, I don't think anybody other than a female bestie gets it.
Yeah.
It's not about ego.
हाँ.
It's
ego
not
की तो
about
बात
ego.
नहीं है यार.
It's about
प्रेम प्यार की बात
it's
है.
about the feeling of being wanted.
Yes. कि मैं चाहती हूँ तो मेरी दोस्त रहे भाई. मैं इस फ्रेंडशिप में आज भी उतना इन्वेस्टेड हूँ जितना तू है.
It's about effort.
एफर्ट है कि अगर तू मेरी लाइफ में है, तू वो वैल्यू प्रोवाइड कर रही है, मैं तुझे वैल्यूएबल फील कराऊंगी. मैं तुझे नहीं छोड़ दूंगी कि अब तू आप पे आप डिसाइड कर
नहीं हो
बच्चे कि तू वैल्यूएबल है या नहीं है. ना जी ना.
और मेरे से वो भी नहीं होता कि तुम मिले and then there's no contact. For months there is no contact.
भाई पर मेरे साथ ऐसा हो जाता है. एज अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल it gets very much difficult sometimes to maintain friendships.
True.
बहुत
But
ज़्यादा.
has success changed it for you?
Yeah.
I feel like at this point I am, not jumping any lines by saying that you've become a successful individual professionally.
Yeah.
There's still a long way to go.
Yeah.
But you've achieved a lot.
Yeah, I've
So has that
Huh.
changed relationships for you?
yeah, it has.
What?
It has.
That's a very
That's a very bold statement.
Yeah.
That's a statement that I take accountability for.
yeah.
And yes, my success, my ambition has changed a lot of relationships, but mostly my friendships.
Why?
I don't know. I'm still figuring out. I swear to God, I am just as normal as everybody out there.
Don't say that. That's making you sound so elitist. Don't say that. I am just as normal as
No,
you are.
why? Why? Because why am I saying this? No, I have a point when I say this. It's not to sound elitist. It's the misconception that people have towards me. ठीक है?
That they think you are what?
That they assume that I am not bothered by the value friendships bring into my life. They have that misconception. लोगों ने perceive कर लिया है कि because Vanchita works these many hours, because Vanchita has a set of close-knit friends, she does not have time or she does not have the kind of space to understand friendship, to respect friendship and to value friendship. I've heard that about myself. I've heard कि जब से उसने grow करना शुरू किया है, she's forgotten all the people. My own family member, there were some family members who have even pointed this thing out, let alone my friends. There were so many friends कि नहीं Vanchita जब से when she's achieved something, she's changed.
But is that true? What
No.
do you think?
Absolutely not.
Why?
Because one thing about me, Asmi, one thing that I'm very, very, very confident अपने बारे में खुद को लेके is that friendship is the second most important thing in my life.
First is what? Family.
Family.
Yeah, I thought so.
After my family, अगर कोई चीज़ मेरे लिए इतना important है तो वो मेरी friendship है और उसी दर्जे पे मैं मेरे ambition को देखती हूँ.
Oh, so you're saying that both of them are equally important?
Yes, my ambition and my friendships are equally important because since the last 2 years, Asmi, एक वो filter वो तो छन्नी होती है ऐसे छन्नी की तरह ना filter out हो गए हैं लाइफ में से लोग यार इतना पीस है ना मेरी लाइफ में आज मुझसे जो रिलेटेड नहीं है ना पहले बहुत लगता था और ये आई एम प्रिटी श्योर हर किसी के साथ में होता है that when you get detached or when you are separated from a friendship after a long span of time तुमको ना अंदर से बहुत बड़ा void feel होता है और तुमको लगता है was it me was it them closure कहाँ है but sometimes if somebody has walked away from you that's closure if somebody has not chosen you that's closure loud and clear क्या है जी अरे ऊंधा You invite her to every milestone event, but she never invites you to hers. हाँ थोड़ा दर्द हुआ पर चलता है.
I think as much as I want to understand it, well, I think I do also.
नहीं नहीं. In this case, I was born to be a hater.
I think I get it.
I don't.
Listen, I'll give you my reason for it.
Go for it.
You are somebody
Huh.
who likes throwing parties. I am somebody
Huh.
who doesn't.
No, it's not about throwing parties. No, it's not about that. It's about any event of achievement, any event of accomplishment.
Wait, Nazar? Nazar.
if besties में नजर is a thing, no, तो मैं चुल्लू पर पानी देती हूँ, डूब मरो.
You don't fear Nazar from your friends, is that what you're
From
saying?
my friends, no. If I see, there are some people in my life जो मेरे साथ में when I had nothing, I had all the cards dealt wrong. At least that was not my lucky hand. And everything was crashing down. And I had you. And now I'm this.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I'm going to be that.
Yeah. You're going to be that girl.
I'm going to be that girl. And you're still going to be there.
Done.
So if you have to fear nazar from your friends, guys, it's a sign to break up. तो यहाँ पर दर्शकों और हर उस सुनने वाले इंसान को मैं मेरी मॉम की कही हुई एक गोल्डन बात कहूंगी. मेरी मॉम ने एक सेइंग है गुजराती में, which I'll translate also. તો જ્યારે માણસ અગત્યનું હોય ત્યારે વાતને મૂકી દેવાનું, અને જ્યારે વાત અગત્યની હોય ત્યારે માણસને મૂકી દેવાનું.
Okay, what does it mean?
That if the person involved in whatever situation that you're not sitting right with, if that person is more important, let go of that issue, come to a point of understanding, come to a point of comparison, compromise, and have that kind of understanding. And if that issue, if that dissatisfaction, or if that kind of arrangement is not sitting well, no matter how much you've tried to comprehend it, your comprehension has met its limits, leave the person. Walk out.
But like, how do you know? My problem is that I never know. I never know how much I'm supposed to deal with something.
So that's when you asked me, circling back to your question, that how do you deal with it?
Right.
I think क्योंकि ना अपने साथ बैठना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आज के टाइम में, किसी भी टाइम में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप खुद के साथ में बैठ के 4 बात कर रहे हो. आप खुद का SWOT रोज करोगे ना.
You let it marinate.
Yes.
You let the controversy marinate.
You let it settle in.
Yeah.
Whatever is bothering you, let it settle in, and then rationalize it on that one aspect that I gave you.
Yeah.
कि या ये इंसान इंपॉर्टेंट है या ये बात इंपॉर्टेंट है. तुम्हारे पास में हर चीज है, तुमने जोड़ा, घटाया, गुणाकार किया, भागाकार किया, और उसके बाद तुम्हारे पास एक जवाब आएगा, और फिर तुम सोचोगे कि शायद वो सही भी है, लेकिन फिर तुम सोचोगे कि फिर एक बार जोड़ने, घटाने, गुणाकार करने और भागाकार करने में गलत क्या है.
Understood. Agreed. 100% marinated. Let Akshay Kumar do the talking.
Bhai, good. So when you've rationalized this entire any situation that has gone, ठीक है, which hasn't sat well with you, you rationalize it on the scale ke, is the matter more important, is the person more important, you come to a conclusion, and then you decide whether it's a conversation of closure, whether it's going to be a confrontation, or is it going to be a comforting conversation. And that is how you become a good bestie.
That's insane. That's insane. That's a bar.
That's the key of being a good bestie.
That's a bar.
Because when somebody shows up for you at your lowest without you having to ask for it,
Yeah.
that's friendship.
Yeah. I didn't even
That
need to come.
understanding, and you initiate it. Anybody who initiates that friendship lays a very strong foundation to it.
And वही बात आती है ना वहाँ पे. Fine, I might not respond to your texts. I might not text you सामने से. I might not call. I will be there.
Yeah.
I will literally show up in flesh.
Yeah.
Then if you want to sit and cry about texting, fine, your choice. But this social media, this WhatsApp, this whatever else people are, Snapchat, pointless app. I don't get it. But if you want to stay in that culture, then fine, we're just not compatible.
Yeah.
Accidentally spilling tea you weren't supposed to. Guilty or innocent? But wait, is it my tea that you're spilling to somebody else? Number one. And if it's tea about somebody else that you're spilling to me, then it's okay.
See, gossip belongs to everyone.
Yeah. But see, if it's my tea
हाँ.
that you spill to your other best friend, that's not okay.
हाँ. If it is something personal and sensitive, by
She does not believe in what I'm saying. She will spill the tea to everyone.
मुझसे ये गलती बहुत बार हो चुकी है यार. I wasn't supposed to tell
जब वो 4 बार होता है ना, उसे गलती नहीं
एक तो यार इस
कहते.
के जंजाल को निकालो यार मेरे बालों से यार.
तुम मेरे बारे में ऐसा नहीं कह सकती. I don't think that's fair. But you know what? Let's do red flag, green flag, but let's
Okay.
not explain.
Okay, red flag, green flag, but no explanations.
Yeah.
Okay.
The max you can say is just red flag or green flag. You cannot say anything else.
Okay.
No explanation.
हाँ.
Only your face can talk. That's fine.
All right.
Done?
Hit it.
Should I?
Yes.
Should I ask you?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Now let's play red flag versus green flag and make it all about friendship without overanalyzing. Okay, she only reaches out when she needs something.
Red flag.
She starts hanging out with your other friends without inviting you.
Red flag.
She never leaves the party without you. You come together, you go together, even if you want to stay.
Green flag.
You go to her events, but she never shows up to yours.
Red flag.
She suddenly gets closer to a new friend and pulls away from you.
Red flag.
She forgot your birthday but makes up for it in a grand gesture.
Green flag.
She always posts your achievements on her Instagram without your permission.
Green flag.
She talks about her problems but never asks about yours.
Red flag.
That's the end of this segment as well.
The entire concept of friendship lies within commitment. That is, I don't know if you call it a highlight, you call it something that I would like to press on, but friendship is commitment.
100%.
You can't let it be an evasive concept.
Yeah.
तुम नहीं कि हाँ
It's not something that just happens.
ऑटो पायलट पे नहीं चलती
It
दोस्ती.
takes effort. It takes 100%.
Actively, just like you choose your partner, you
100%.
choose your family.
100%.
And when I say you choose your family, I don't mean कि you choose,
Yeah,
but
you choose your
yeah,
family at the end of
to
the day.
show
You're-
up, because in the end, it is every individual's personal choice to whether show up or to not show up.
Do you have work friends?
Work friends.
Yeah. I don't. I don't.
I don't.
I do not have work friends.
I don't think I made friends at work ever. I have colleagues that I look up to. I have mentors. Oh, yes, I have mentors. People that I'm grateful to. People that have taught me a lot. I have had co-workers, non-existing, just BGM. But
I don't think I've had work friends. I am not
the
that kind of
closest
a person.
the closest thing I have to somebody who is related from work and is very close to me.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
get it.
And she's not a work friend.
Yeah.
No.
But I can't do. मेरे लिए ना वो work friend वाला concept office के 9 to 5 में खत्म हो जाता है.
नहीं, मैं तो ऑफिस के अंदर भी I can't pretend to call somebody my friend. No.
But do you need work friends? No, you never felt like you need work friends. Somebody to have your back.
You know, my mentor, Dr. Mahesh Jeriwala, once, I think it was my first day of healthcare industry. First day at work. And I was nervous. I was very anxious to start. And he told me one thing. Vanshita, you are not here to make friends. You are here to do your job.
Okay.
You are here to make the most out of your professional capacities. You are here to excel as an individual, to lead a team.
So tomorrow if I go to work, you're saying I should not be striving to make work friends because that's something that I genuinely face a lot of difficulty with because you're spending such a huge amount of time with them.
They can be acquaintances. You can have civil acquaintances. You can have people. देख एक पे तेरे को बात समझाती हूँ. एक पैंडा और एक मगरमच्छ एक साथ में रोज हैंग आउट कर रहे हैं. उनके कितने चांसेस है बेस्टीज बनने के? शून्य.
मे बी.
तो दो अलग अलग टाइप के लोग जिनका कोई लेवन देवन नहीं है एक दूसरे से आउटसाइड अ सर्टेन एनवायरनमेंट, अगर उन्हें सडनली एक्सपेक्ट किया जाए कि ये बेस्टीज बन जाएंगे, ठीक है, ये विल हैव ईच अदर्स बैक, वहां पर आती है वो कंपटीशन वाली बात जो कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करती है मेरे मॉरल्स ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप से.
Understood.
समझी तू?
Yeah.
वहां पर कंपटीशन इज फेयर, जायज.
Right.
हर कोई अपना पर्सनल बेस्ट, अपना पर्सनल ग्रो करने आया है वहां पर.
Everybody is looking at the same promotion.
Same promotion.
Yeah.
ठीक है, and that's the kind of healthy competition जो है ना, वो तुम्हारे work acquaintances में होना चाहिए, तुम्हारे दोस्तों में नहीं.
Agreed. No, but honestly, after having so many conversations
Yeah.
on this couch specifically, and I know that we're about to have so many more,
Yeah.
I want to know. Actually, I know it already. I want to know from your perspective what you want to tell the people when you say, what is experiment? Why this space? Why these conversations? And why you as the founder?
I think conversations जर्नी का ना हमारे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हिस्सा होते हैं. बात करते रहना, नए नए विचारों को एक्सचेंज करना अच्छी बात लगती है मुझे, बहुत पसंद, मेरी पर्सनल फेवरेट.
तो तुम करो ना, तुमने पूरा ये सब क्यों चालू कर दिया?
क्योंकि धंधा भी तो करना पड़ता है.
You know, हाँ, ये बोलो ना, ये नहीं बोला जाता तुमसे, ये नहीं
धंधा
बोला
करना
जाता,
पड़ता है।
ये नहीं बोला जाता.
देखो, as somebody who's worked in female healthcare
Okay.
for a good enough time, I have seen a lot of patients. मतलब पता है, औरतों को ना पता ही नहीं है कि उनकी मेंटल हेल्थ का ये एलिमेंट, या आज मुझे लगता है हमने जितनी भी बात करी है, इतनी सारी लड़कियां होंगी जिनको उसमें से इतने सारे पॉइंट्स मिले होंगे कि हाँ यार, ये होता तो मेरे साथ भी है, इसका करूँ क्या?
True.
हाउ टू डिटरमाइन इफ माई बेस्टी इज वर्थ इट और नॉट, और इसका कितना लोड लेने का मेरे को.
And honestly, I don't think it is about determination at all. I really think that this is just a space where anybody who's tuning in
हाँ.
can sort of put in their comments or have a conversation with themselves. Like वो food for thought होता है ना, this is literally just thought for thought.
Thought for thought.
It is honestly thought for thought. कि तुम बैठो, तुम सोचो. और मेरे लिए experiment, I'll tell you why I decided to host it. It's because I don't think there's a better job.
Yeah.
I don't think there
And I
exists
don't
a
think there
better
is
job.
anybody other than you who can do a better job at this.
Genuinely, my point is that I am sitting here talking about things that matter to me on a daily basis. None of it, I think less than 50% of it is scripted.
Huh.
Nothing is scripted. My whole point of sitting here talking about things is that experiment is supposed to be that safe space.
Yeah, because
Something that you've invested in, and not financially or
no,
not.
I am very emotionally invested in this project. This project is something that has purpose to it.
True.
That kind of open space, because आजकल ना cancel culture, cuts, censorship हर जगह आ चुकी है. एंड एक चीज तो है, हर आदमी का ओपिनियन है आज की डेट में, और कभी से भी आदमी हो अगर तुम, तो तुम्हारा ओपिनियन
And
है.
होना चाहिए.
होना
I
चाहिए.
think वो होना चाहिए. I think we've grown as a community over
हाँ.
time where we've decided that everybody has a voice.
Community is the exact thing.
The right word.
Community is what I want to build. A community of people who have, one, the gut, because experiment is a hell lot about gut. Having a gut.
Yeah.
To have those conversations. You know, किसी चीज को accept करने के लिए भी ना, कोई thought for thought का acceptance लाने के लिए भी
वो
आपने वो
conversation
gut होना चाहिए.
right. वो conversation वहाँ से build होनी चाहिए.
होनी चाहिए. तो वो सुनने की, समझने की, comprehend करने की, उसको imply अपनी, देखो भैया, स्वाद अनुसार.
True.
जो करो अपने जीवन में स्वाद अनुसार करो, बट वो गट अगर आप में है तो एक्सपेरिमेंट आपकी कम्युनिटी है. अगर आप चाहते हो ना कुछ नया सुनना, या कुछ ऐसा सुनना जो हो रहा है
From people who are just like you.
just like you, because I am a working professional. मुझे ना हमेशा, अस्मी, the reason that I agreed to sit on the couch today as a guest of experiment despite being a founder was कि हर किसी ने ना मुझे as a professional label कर दिया है. As a working professional, Vanshita Neetu, the managing director, working professional, crazy. ये बात हो गई है. But somewhere along the line, मेरे खुद के दोस्त भी कभी कभी ये भूल जाते हैं कि यार, I'm just a girl.
You're just that girl.
I'm just that girl.
Sorry.
I am your bestie. भाई, तेरे घर में तेरी काम वाली बाई नहीं आएगी ना, उसका दुख मुझे भी होगा भाई, जितना तुझे होगा.
For me, trying to fix a friendship, first thing that matters to me is that we take time off. I need it.
Much
I
needed.
need that time off, and it's not a
And
break.
वो टाइम ऑफ ना, वो जो फर्स्ट कॉन्वर्जेशन है ना, कॉन्वर्जेशन ऑफ क्लैरिटी,
हाँ, उसके बाद
उसके
शायद
बाद
आना
में
चाहिए.
आना चाहिए एक हेल्दी ब्रेक. वो ब्रेक के बाद बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है.
Distance makes love fonder.
अरे, the distance and the time between us will never change my mind, because baby, I would die for you.
So I think when you are trying to fix a friendship, first of all, after that conversation, you've gained the clarity कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं.
और मुझे लगता है क्लैरिटी के बाद तो पीस मिलती ही है, बट आइडियली उतनी पीस अपने अंदर रिजर्व में भी रखो कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हो गया है ना, मनमुटाव, तो खत्म ना हो जाए. योर वर्ल्ड डजंट कम क्रैशिंग डाउन ऑन यू, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग दैट पीपल फाइंड रियली डिफिकल्ट टू हैंडल. कि यार, मैंने किसी से, मुझे दुनिया में कोई भी ऐसा कर देता चल जाता, लेकिन ये
इसने
इंसान ने
कैसे
कैसे
किया?
करा. उस टाइम पे वही पॉइंट पे तुम गलत हो गए, वो स्टेप तुम्हारा गलत हो गया। अगर तुमने अपने थॉट प्रोसेस में वही चीज ले आ दी ना कि इसने कैसे, अरे भाई आदमी है यार, आदमी हूँ, आदमी से प्यार करता हूँ, व्हाट इज दिस।
Agreed.
व्यवस्थित माप में बात करो ना यार।
You need that space of
You need that intellectual emotional clarity या फिर इमोशनल इंटेलेक्चुअल क्लैरिटी, ये जो भी होता है ये होनी भैया बहुत जरूरी है आज के टाइम में या किसी भी टाइम में।
So your final thought on how do you fix
फिक्सिंग
it?
अ फ्रेंडशिप, हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑफ क्लैरिटी। मैंने बताया ना, क्लोजर, कॉन्फ्रंटेशन या कंफर्ट, आप पिक योर ओन बैटल। ठीक है, मैं वही उसी चीज पे आगे अब करना क्या है, अभी तो हो गया, टेक सम टाइम ऑफ। एंड दैट टाइम ऑफ अगेन, वी वर नॉट ऑन अ ब्रेक,
True.
we still love each other.
Yeah.
We still understand the value because we made that active decision कि हाँ नहीं, इंसान important। और अगर भाई तेरे में इतना दिमाग है ना कि तूने ये डिसीजन लिया कि इंसान ज्यादा important है, then build the gut to forgive.
I think forgiveness takes much more than confrontation. Forgiveness takes, and honestly, even if you're breaking up, forgiveness is for you.
हाँ,
Forgiveness is not for the other person.
Absolutely.
Forgiveness is for you to be okay with the fact that okay, something's happened. I forgive this person for my peace,
Huh.
so that we can move on.
absolutely.
And if you don't have the gut for forgiveness, maybe you don't have the gut for friendship.
Yeah, I 100% agree with you because the complexity of friendship as a dynamic is so huge। मतलब इतनी बड़ी चीज है ना यार दोस्ती। लोग दोस्ती को बहुत एक छोटा सा कंसेप्ट समझ के छोड़ देते हैं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता भाई। मतलब ये मैं आजकल देख रही हूँ, बड़े नए नए शब्द आ गए हैं दोस्ती को, होमी है, ये है, वो है।
मेरा तो भाई है भाई।
मेरा तो भाई है,
मेरा तो भाई है।
मेरा तो भाई
और
है
कुछ भी नहीं है।
भाई। भाई बोल के बात खत्म करो।
भाई ने बोला है,
भाई ने बोला
करने का
तो
तो करने का।
Done.
Done.
Honestly, after such a heavy load of conversation, I would sort of want to bring this to an end by saying that friendship is something that no two individuals can ever figure out by sitting on a couch. I don't think anybody in this universe will be able to, and honestly, it doesn't get talked about enough. It
Yeah.
does not, love gets talked about, hatred gets talked about, but friendship is something that I don't think gets talked about enough.
नहीं होता।
And for that, you need spaces like these.
And I think that's the point where experiment steps in. When we give people a platform to express their opinions, to make valuable additions to your own thought for thought process. क्योंकि कभी कभी ना कुछ चीजें यार वही होता है ना कि यार कुंडी ऐसे बंद करने की जगह ऐसे बंद कर ली होती, वो दूसरा आदमी बोल के जाएगा तब तुमको पर्सपेक्टिव आएगा कि हाँ नहीं यार, इसको तो मैं ऐसे भी बंद कर सकता था। तो बस यार, जस्ट तुम सोने जा रहे हो ना, सुन लो सोने से पहले एक बार एक्सपेरिमेंट। मैं कहती हूँ तुमको ना मजा नहीं आ रहा है, वाइब नहीं आ रही, चला ले। सुन भाई, सुन तो, क्योंकि जब तुम्हारे ही जैसा, तुम्हारे ही बीच से उठा हुआ इंसान तुम्हें वो पर्सपेक्टिव देगा ना, it's just a smooth journey from there. And you will experiment with your thoughts, your energies, your vibe, and that's how you become that girl. And that is what experiment is about.
After listening to all of this, if you've still sticked around after listening to all of this, maybe it is time that you drop that "Hey, I miss you" text. Honestly,
Yeah.
Maybe-
I say call your bestie. I say text your bestie. If you have a long distance bestie, video call them. बहुत सारे apps आ gए हैं.
send something. I am saying send a cheesecake.
हाँ, send a cheesecake. मैं कोई मीम बना के भेज दे यार. मैं असमी पगलू का मीम बना लूंगी. I will put up a picture of myself and write hashtag Asmi Paglu in it. Yeah, in fact, that is exactly what I'm going to do right after we're done shooting this episode. Because you need to tell your friends how much you love them, how much you value them, what kind of joy and energy, the fun they bring in your life. Go tell your best friend.
अगली बार से इन्हें होस्ट करवा लेना. ठीक है, मेरा काम आई थिंक यहाँ पे हो गया है।
बेस्टी बन, अब पानी पूरी खाना है गाइस।
और मेरा-
पॉडकास्ट खत्म करो, पानी
You know
पूरी
what?
खाना है।
Wait, you know what?
What?
After all of this,
हाँ.
I was just talking to them also. I think I'm ready to be an influencer. Will you support me through this joyful decision that I am going to make it my full-time job?
आई एम गोइंग टू पुट वो क्या होते हैं वो इंस्टाग्राम पे वो छोटा छोटा गोल गोल दिखता है वो रील के
Tag.
ऊपर। नहीं नोट हाँ, तो तू इन्फ्लुएंसर बनेगी ना तो मैं उस पर नोट भी छोड़ूंगी, मैं उस पर कमेंट भी छोड़ूंगी, मैं उसकी स्टोरी भी लगाऊंगी, मैं तुझे टैग भी करूंगी, मैं 10,000 लोगों में जिनको जानती हूँ मैं उनको भी भेजूंगी।
But you think it's a full-time job, no?
तुझे जो करना है करना, तू तेरे हर चीज के लिए इट्स ओके, क्योंकि तू भाई है मेरा।